In this video, we are consulting with one of State's expert district sales managers, Stephanie Crittenden, to discuss some of the most frequently asked questions our sales representatives receive regarding preventative drain maintenance. Let's hear what she has to say.
So the types of preventative drain maintenance products that State has run the full range of all the most common drain issues that we see. Everything from salt and calcium crystallization in urinals, to drain fly habitats, to odor, to the most common issue we see, which is the buildup of fats, oils, and greases. In that thing in particular, we have a broad range of products to address it. We have everything from a more traditional emulsifier that will liquefy the fat, oils, and greases so they can be moved through the system. Enzyme-based products will break them up into little pieces and make them easier to treat. And bacteria products that will completely eat the fats, oils, and greases, eliminate them from the system. They will convert that actually into CO2 and water. A question I get asked often is how to apply our products. And there's a couple of different ways to do that. We have, in most cases, we can apply them directly into the drain in question, right down the drain. We also offer automated drain systems that dose them regularly, so you can take that thought right off your plate. Each drain will get its dosage daily, as scheduled, as needed. In many cases, applying your product with an automated drain pump, or what we refer to as a program agreement, is the best way to prevent buildup and future issues. So the pros of preventative drain maintenance are many. One is, and the biggest one in my opinion, is predictable costs. It eliminates the potential for surprise expensive fixes, the need for snakes, backups, and generally stinky, unpleasant repairs. Other pros are the ability to not have to worry about the potential for future issues. Often, in situations with grease traps in particular, we find that the pump outs required to solve an issue when it occurs are not only expensive and messy, but potentially dangerous. The best way to choose the right product for your needs is to let us partner you with one of our talented account managers. Oftentimes, a quick in-person survey is the best way to identify the issues that you are dealing with, and lets us leverage our expertise to recommend the right product for your need.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions regarding our products or services, feel free to reach out to us using the Contact Us link in the description. For more information, visit www.stateindustrial.com.